Welcome back to BFF Sisters. If you're wondering why we're in ratchet clothes, it's because today we're picking up Mommy's old bike. We're replacing with new tires and new seats and spray painting it white. And we are changing the tires right now. And right now I'm going to put this tubing inside this tire. It's really easy.
You guys love your mom?
Yeah.
We'll do anything for mama?
Yeah.
Yeah. This is a prize too. She doesn't know we're doing this, huh?
Yeah.
Her bike was black and it was ugly, right? And now we got a really cool, nice paint job.
We need the under area.
We're gonna paint it a little bit more. We got some new tires. Excellent.
Seat.
We got a new seat, some new grips. We're gonna sand it down, oil it up, and we're gonna have a brand new bike in a couple minutes.
Yeah.
We'll get back to you right now.